I think Kyle's one of those people that would never envision getting an award for doing something that he's so good at and loves. My first week here, I took a tour of an early college high school, and the principal said, I want to show you one of your welding instructors who's changing lives. And I talked to students who talked about Kyle in a way that any of us would want. And then I went and spoke at the graduation ceremony in our Lockhart Correctional Facility, and I had families came up to me telling me about how this Kyle person had used the ability to teach welding to change their daughter's life. And that's when I realized that Kyle deserved this recognition, because no matter the context or the student, he's got an ability to connect with them in a way that helps them see the best of who they are. And that's why Kyle's receiving this recognition.